Hey, hope you're doing well today. And today is Sunday, fun day. It's a day off from the entire week to do your work. And today I'm here to talk about a beautiful thing that is recently working on, and I got it sticked on it, and that is vision board. And today I'm going to talk about what is vision board and why it is important for the goals that you set, or for the things, if you are a goal oriented person, or for the things that you need to have success in it, and that will be coming into creative visualization. So let's talk about when we talk about vision, one thing comes to our mind is how we see our future, career wise, or in a personal relationship, or relationships, or finance, business, whatever is related to your life. So vision comes through your goals, your priorities, your alignment of dreams, and your action taking process. So these things will come into vision. Now vision cannot be decided by one factor, like just get into one vision, like I want to be this, or maybe you want to work for this. It's not like that. You have to make it more systematic, organized, and structured. Means how we decide a vision, like if you are interested in that work, and how much time you're going to achieve that thing, and what are the things that you have to do to achieve that, and that is the vision board. So I will show up my vision board and how it works. So that is vision board, that you have to get into a vision first, and then you should have a board. If not board, but you can get into that art paper. You do have art paper, and you can write your visions and your goals and the things that you are interested in, and the things that gives you joy, or the things that you want to achieve. You can write down, and you can stick some pictures also, the picture of the thing, or suppose you want to get a beautiful car, or a bike maybe, so you just stick that picture of the bike or the car in the vision board, and that will be a creative visualization, and it is a powerful tool to actually visualize. Because what happens, our brain believes in mental images and create mental images. It means our mind cannot decide what is reality and what is not reality. So why it is important, I'll let you know now. So you get that board ready, and you write down all your goals, all your priorities, and you have to give a deadline to it. That okay, now I have to give a deadline, because without deadline you will not work for it. Without deadline you will not go for the goal, or will not work towards that. So that is very important. Your goals should be written. There should be a deadline, and what are the things that you need to do, you can write down, or if it is not, then you can do it in the to-do list. So now why it is important, because creative visualization, when you say the vision board, you will get a creative visualization, will visualize the things in the future, like what will happen in the future in the mental images, because it will be showing as like you are taking an award. Suppose you are taking an award or a prize, or maybe you are getting a job. So exactly you are thinking in your brain, into your mind, in your subconscious mind, and believing the subconscious mind this is true, and a subconscious mind will believe, and that how it will be processed, and it will your actions will align to your goals. So creative process comes into creative process, this visualization, and it is a wonderful and a powerful technique, tool also, to create the emotions and feelings for that goal that we are going for. So like this, how it will help you out. First, it will actually add more belief to subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind will believe that okay, now things are happening and this is true now. Second is that you get more motivation to work. When you see the vision board in front of you, you get the motivation to work. And every day you see and you say, no, today I have not prepared for this. But when you see that the vision board, you just keep working, keep hustling for that thing. Third is that it gives you a mental picture, and which helps you to feel good about it, and everything will happen at the right time, and from the God's planning, and you will see the magic will happen at the end of the day. So once you have that vision and everything isn't written, then your mind, you get more clarity basically, and that's how your emotions and feelings align, and that's how you work for that goal or that purpose. So this is all about the vision board. I hope that you will make a vision board for yourself, and if you will delay this process, then you will procrastinate, and if you procrastinate, then things will take more time. So this is 2024, make your vision board, and let me know in the comment section that what other topics that you want to know. Thank you, and please do subscribe to my channel to know more things about like this, and I will keep uploading the topics which I have learned and experienced and explored. Thank you very much for watching.